it's an absolute illusion that if you tamper with your currency, you're going to absolutely improve your standing in terms of economic growth. If trashing your money was the way to wealth, Zimbabwe and Argentina would own the world today. Right. It does not work. Right. And you need a steady value. And in terms of the dollar, it is the global currency because of the U.S. economy, just as it used to be Spanish silver, then the British pound. Today it's the dollar. When we muck that up, it makes it very hard to do transactions. Again, it focuses investment on existing things like houses, like commodity, like land, instead of the mind for the future. We saw the same thing in the 70s when we finally killed inflation in the early 80s. That's when we became an innovative country again. So, and I'll throw something out just to show you I'm truly not running for office, that I'm an agitator today. And that is, I think in 5 years, we're going to see the dollar relinked to GOLD. It's got to be done. Right.